Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a very good time for Chainlink holder and a very huge update, my brother. Today I will tell you about the Chainlink moves, my brother. So kindly must watch this video to understand better now, my brother. This time, first of all, I will give you update, but kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. And show your love, press the like button. Please click the like button. This time, my brother, you can see here the chain occurred last 7 days, 4.62% there in the profit. Congratulations, my brothers, to in last week, my brother, Chainlink is completely in the profit. And max supply, chain occurred last 24 hour minus 1.26%. That level lost now in last 24 hour. All market is dumps down, but definitely, my friend, you can see here Chainlink is also. So change occurred last 1 hour. You can see here they will recover it is just only in last 1 hour. 0.76%, my friends, they will moving upward now. Congratulations, my brothers, they will take a positive now. My brother, this time you can see the price, so 16.57 USD dollar is the latest price. I hope the price will be increasing, but just only, my friend, that's the need of a holder or hold it, so they will move upward. Otherwise they are losing hour by hour, minute by minute. This time you can see, my brother, the chart result completely show you to upcoming time there is a lot of chances, so they will move upward more and more, and they will give you a profit. So why are you miss this opportunity? Please take a risk, and absolutely at the end of month they will give you a good profit. So just in only, I hope, my brother, you will be in now. So thanks for watching Chainlink holder. My prediction is positive, my opinion is please hold. And what's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. And what's your prediction, please. Thanks for watching Chainlink holder. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.